Oatmeal chocolate chip cookies are a bite of happiness. Chewy, soft, full of textures and flavors that are, to me, a comfort treat. They're simple to make, they make your home smell amazing, and there's smiles all around when you eat these. And I'm going to show you how to make these today on the Stay at Home Chef. Now these are not to be confused with an oatmeal raisin cookie. No, 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 those are why I have trust issues. If you're looking for oatmeal raisin cookies, well, this isn't the video for you. To start our cookies, we need to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then line a baking sheet with parchment paper, or you could use a silicone baking mat. Now we're on to the cookie dough, and I'm going to be using a stand mixer, but you can use a regular bowl with a wooden spoon or a hand mixer at home. To our bowl, I'm going to add in 1 cup of softened salted butter, 3/4 a cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of white sugar. Then mix that on low for about 90 seconds until that mixture is smooth. Now that our mixture is combined and smooth, we're going to add in 3 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and go ahead and beat that for about 30 seconds until it's just combined. Make sure you scrape the sides of the bowl into that mixture. Next, you're going to add in 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, which is optional, but I highly recommend it, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then go ahead and mix that for about 90 seconds on low speed. Then we're going to add in 1 1/2 cups of quick oats and mix until combined. If you want to use old-fashioned oats, they work just as great. Now to sprinkle in the good stuff, I'm using 2 cups of chocolate chip, and you could use milk or dark, whatever you like. And if you want to add in about 3/4 a cup of pecans or your favorite nut, now's the time to do that. Then go ahead and simply mix that just to fold in those chocolate chips. Our dough is all ready, so now we're going to scoop that into 2-inch balls and place it onto our prepared baking sheet, about 12 per pan. Now we're going to bake these in our preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the tops are a little more golden brown. These oatmeal chocolate chip cookies are a little fluffier than the normal, but if you want them to crisp up, cook them for an additional 2 minutes. Once they're done cooking, let them cool on a pan for 15 minutes before serving warm, or transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. And you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.